When I come into the ready room right now, I'm a pilot first.
That last 6 months.
Also go through bookwork.
To 24 months, use strollers so you can learn from them. And then after you get qualified, you're just working as manning, helping out. So the main reason we're training with that. Second of all, it's also helping us fast track.
That goes back across it. Looking around, and the radar picks them up, and you always see them. Yeah, that would do it. Don't touch it if you don't mind. Everything else is cool. It's part of our laser. They know way more about that.
And the image you'll see is through the airplane.
So do you have it? 3, 1, 2, 3. Appreciate it.
If we have to fight high intensity conflict, will be, so we need to prep for that, and we need.
From the fighter pilot perspective, you want to be challenged to look like, and so
we do that in two ways. We have simulated missiles that we can.
And so for me, F-22 pilot or just Blue Air in general, it's when you see a lot, you have that moment, but it's also just a problem for us, like doing solving problems. The person who's in the mission is changing, so again, that unique perspective being highlighted when a Rafale guy, a mission commander, or someone in a Typhoon is a mission commander.
To do that together. That's what we anticipate day one. We're going to do it together.
The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, for 30 years, our nation's invisible sword and visible shield, a key component triad. Able to deliver global strike capabilities anytime. When the B-2 made its debut, one that required a different kind of weapon that could go anywhere in the world, past the strongest defenses and stating power. A weapon